Hi, I'm Inderpal. I was the winner of the Singapore Eggs Challenge on MasterChef Singapore Season 4. My dish was the basil prawn roti john with the no crab chili crab sauce and basil oil. One of the secrets to the success of this dish is going local, where the farm to fork distance is much shorter. Locally grown eggs and the prawns arrive fresher and with a lot more nutrients. There are a few steps to this dish, so let's get cracking. Now I'm going to saute the shells of these local prawns till the colour changes. Add in the rempah. Keep sauteing until the colour changes and the oil separates. Season and gradually add sugar, tasting along the way. Then add the fresh local eggs. Beat rapidly till the sauce is combined. Next up, we're going to add chopped garlic, chili padi, fresh basil, a little bit of fish sauce, and the succulent Singapore prawns into the egg mixture. Beat it up till it's all combined. There's a peace of mind that comes with locally produced eggs. You know where they're from, and you can trust that they'll be fresh and safe to eat. Drop in half the egg mixture. Add half a slice of the bread. Press down on the bread to ensure that the egg soaks into the bread. So we'll cook this till the eggs are firm and the prawns have cooked through. So what I'm going to do now is pat it down to remove as much excess oil as possible. Next, in a bowl, mix mayonnaise, fish sauce and sugar. And now we're ready to plate up. The final touches are a drizzle of basil oil, wedge of lime, and done. There you have it, my basil prawn roti john with no crab chili crab sauce and basil oil. Sure. This is truly a guilt-free indulgence. To make yourself just as happy, the next time you are buying groceries, look for the SG Fresh Produce logo. Taste the difference.